Yeah, not Big 400 no more.
He will V2 now.
Dude, I put in this aftermarket, like, cheap little gas cap, and it,
Yeah, well, that's what happens.
It feels tighter than your GTI. It feels tighter than your ST.
Mm.
Like a other Mustang.